to love the 2018 Jeep Wrangler JK. The Wrangler JK is built with adventure in mind. Its rugged style is paired perfectly with power and performance. Not to be outdone, the interior comes equipped with plenty of technology, storage, and sound system capabilities. And it's priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, anti-lock braking system, traction control, stability control, driver airbag, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, cruise control, aluminum wheels, floor mats. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.